I'm happy to see you today. Are you happy to see me today?
I'm happy.
Oh.
Today is a beautiful day.
Okay. So today, what are we going to talk about?
A volcano eruption.
A volcano eruption?
It's not dangerous, but the lava is dangerous.
It's not dangerous?
I said
Uh-huh.
a volcano is not dangerous, but
Uh-huh.
the lava is dangerous.
Okay, I don't understand that. Tell me about a volcano eruption.
Because
Mm-hmm.
the volcano, the lava in it, we have something called magma.
Magma?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And magma has rocks under it.
Mm-hmm.
Those rocks
Mm-hmm.
are deep in magma,
Mm-hmm.
making magma
Mm-hmm.
rise.
Then?
So then it will make a long mountain, and then
Uh-huh.
a volcano starts to erupt lava.
Oh, so which color is that?
Lava,
Uh-huh.
orange.
It's color orange?
Orange.
Uh-huh.
And when you get in lava,
Mm-hmm.
always get protected by it. Wear
Protective gears?
Gears. So then the
Uh-huh.
lava won't melt you up, won't burn you.
So
It's
when
hot.
when you step on it, you get burned?
Yeah, so actually you will get burned if you don't wear a protective gear.
Oh my goodness. Tell us more about volcano eruption. Anything else that you know about volcano eruption?
Yes.
What is it?
So now the next thing about volcano eruption is actually when you get in lava, it's bad when you don't wear a protective gear. But we're not talking about protective gears today. We're talking about just volcano eruption. Actually, when you get in lava, it's kind of hard to move.
That's bad.
And you thought it's just orange water?
Oh,
No.
but
it's
not.
lava.
But it is lava.
Yes.
Hot lava. Super hot.
Super hot. When you think on it, you'll die.
Oh my goodness, that's bad. That's so dangerous.
Yes.
Oh.
Have you learned about volcano blast? Volcano eruption?
Yes, I've learned about volcano eruption thanks to you, little boy.
Thanks to the help of the rock of the lava. It isn't a rock, but a mountain.
Oh, it's like a mountain?
It's like a mountain, but actually a volcano.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Bye. See you next time to the next video.
Okay, we should subscribe to your video.
Yes, you should like and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you.
Bye.